Hello everyone, my name is Urvi. Welcome back to my channel. In this channel, you will receive regular immigration updates and also updates on life in Canada. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. I share all the latest updates with you and just for you. Alright, so today's latest news or breaking news is that IRCC has sent an email notification to all the applicants under Express Entry program who has Canadian education. Yes, if you are someone who has Canadian education and will be receiving some points due to your Canadian education, then you must have received a notification from IRCC requesting you to make some updates on your profile. So nothing to worry, don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to make those updates and what are those updates about. So first off, you will see that you have received an email notification which says action required by August 2, 2022, complete new questions about Canadian education in Express Entry. This is to notify that there have been changes to Express Entry and how Express Entry evaluates Canadian education credentials that may impact your Express Entry profile. So depending upon how you update your profile, that may impact your score. If you have claimed to have a Canadian education credential, you should update your profile by answering 3 new questions in the education history section about the amount of in-person study training you have done in Canada. So it looks like this question is here because of COVID. Many students completed their entire studies from India, and IRCC is not willing to give all the points to students who were not present in Canada at the time of education. The next question is around full-time training or full-time or part-time education to obtain the credential. So we'll look at the questions in a bit, but further IRCC in the email says if these fields remain incomplete, your CRS point score may drop and you may miss an opportunity to be invited for permanent residency. Please update your Express Entry profile by August 2nd. So August 2nd, I believe, is Tuesday. Let me check my calendar. Yes, it's Tuesday. So you have few days to update this to ensure that you don't miss out on points and you don't miss out on any opportunities of receiving a draw. Okay. One of the other reason why it's August 2 is because on August 3rd, IRCC might be pulling up another draw and wants everyone to provide their latest update. Okay, so that's the email you must have received. Now don't panic. What I want you to do is go to your GC Key account, log in with your credentials, go to your profile and view profile. When you log in, on the top right, you will receive an option called view profile. And when you view your profile, you will see that some of the forms, let me zoom this so that you can see. Yeah. So basically when you log in, on the top right, you will see your Express Entry profile and there will be an option to view your profile or view your submitted profile. When you see that, there will be a section about study which will now you will see that as incomplete. Okay, so now you will see that as incomplete, and when you go in study, wherever you have your Canadian education, just click on modify that particular item. And once you modify, you scroll down and you will see that you have additional questions. Now, I don't have an Express Entry profile with a person who applied under Express Entry. I can't share that information, but I was able to capture these 3 questions which are newly added in the profile, and I'll help you to answer them. All right, these are straightforward yes or no questions. Okay, but before we go to the question, make sure you log in and identify where you are supposed to update, and then pause this video and we will go through these questions again. All right, so the first question is, did the name of the applicant, complete at least 50% of the study or training program through in-person learning, right? And this will be yes or no. If you have studied in Canada, if you were in Canada at the time when this happened or when your education happened, you have to answer it yes. If you are not in Canada when you are completing your education and you did complete your education remotely, then you have to say no, right? So you had to be in Canada at more than 50% of the time during your training program. Okay. The next question is, did the applicant study in Canada for at least 8 months in order to earn this degree, diploma, or certificate? So, were you in Canada at least 8 months to complete this course? If no, then you have to select no. And the third question is, did the applicant submit or study full time for at least 8 months to earn this degree? So this is a straightforward question, like, was this a program at least 8 months long? If it was, say yes. For, I think for most it will be yes. And yeah, so depending upon your answers, your score may drop. If you were not in Canada, if you did not complete your entire study or 50% of the study in person, then your score may be impacted. But nothing to worry, you have to disclose whatever is right. So, whatever applies in your case, do not hide the information because of losing of the points. Just address the questions right now, select it, and then after selecting, save and add, and then again after you review your application, hit submit and transmit your application, right? So that is very straightforward action which you have to do. If you have any questions, shoot in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you out here. But good luck, guys. Once again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be providing updates about immigration in Canada and life in Canada in general. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please take care of yourself. Enjoy the summer. Bye bye.